Good morning students. Today we can study application of determinants and matrices. Then in this topic we will study two linear equations. I am going to write in here. Then using by determinant and matrix we can find out solution of this system of equation. Then that things we will study in this topic. Then what is consistent system? What is consistent? In class 10 we are already studied two linear equations are consistent means if solution exceeds that system of equation is known as consistent. When you solve any linear equations, if you get x value and y value, maybe that is unique, otherwise infinite number of solution you will get. That time the system of equation we can say that is consistent. Then inconsistent. A system of equation is said to be inconsistent if its solution does not exist. When you find out solution of two equations or two or more system of equation, if you are not getting any solution means that system of equation is known as inconsistent. We can see in graphical method. This like figure you studied in class 10. This first equation 1, equation 2. Then if you draw graph of first linear equation, you will get one straight line. If you draw graph of second linear equation, you will get second line. In here you can see one intersecting point. That means this intersecting point is solution of this two system of two equations, two linear equations. That means in here we will get one unique solution. Why unique means only one intersecting point. That's why that is unique solution. Then next, if you draw graph of equation number 1, one straight line. Then if you draw graph of second equation also, it is same line. Equation number 2. Then how many intersecting point is there? That means each and every points are intersecting points, isn't it? That means in here infinite number of solutions are there. In these two cases are known as consistent. Then another one is to say consistent. If you draw first graph, that is equation of 1, then another one, equation of 2. In these two lines, can you see any intersecting points? You will not get any intersecting points because these two lines are parallel lines. No intersecting point means no solution, isn't it? Then in this case we can say these two equations are inconsistent. We cannot find out any solution in here. In here we can find out only one solution, unique solution. In here infinite number of solution we can find out. In last case we cannot find out any solution. That's why this is known as inconsistent. Then how can check using by determinant and matrices? Now how to check one system of equation is consistent or inconsistent? I am going to take one example. 2x 4y equal to 9, then 3x 2y equal to 3. In here two linear equations given. We can write these two linear equations in matrix form, that is matrix. First write coefficient of x and y, 2 and 4. Then from second equation we can write 3, 2. Then into x, y. Variables right in second matrix, then equal to right side constant 9, 3. This given system of equation we can write in the form of matrix 2, 4, 2, 4, then 3, 2, 3, 2, then x, y, then constant 9, 3. If we expand this matrix, we will get same system of equation only. We can see that one also. 2 in just multiple 2 into x, 2x, plus 4 into y, 4y. Then second part 3 into x, 3x, plus 2 into y, 2y, equal to 9, 3. This two matrices equal means we can write 2x plus 4y, that is first element equal to here first element 9. Then second element is 3x plus 2y equal to 3. Same equation only, isn't it? That means this given system of equation we can write in the form of matrices. Then we can give this A, first matrix is A, then this is X, then next one is last matrix is B. Just give one name A, X and B. When you find out determinant of A, if you get answer 0, that is singular matrix. Singular matrix. That time we cannot find out any solution in this case. That means this is inconsistent. Inconsistent. When you take determinant of this first matrix, if you get 0 means that is known as singular matrix. This matrix. Okay. That time we cannot find out any solution. The system of equation is inconsistent. Then second case, determinant of B not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means this matrix is known as non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. At that time we can find out some solution, may be unique, otherwise infinite number of solutions. That's why that system of equations is known as consistent. Then how to check consistent or inconsistent? Find out determinant of this first matrix, that means coefficient matrix. Then if you get 0 means that is inconsistent. Then find out determinant of A not equal to 0, that means negative number or positive number. Any number if you get, that means the system of equations are consistent. Exercise 4.6, question number 1 to 6. Examine the consistency of the system of equation in question number 1 to 6. In here, system of equation given that two equations, x plus 2y equal to 2, 2x plus 3y equal to 3. We have to check the given system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. Let's start. The system of equation can be written as Ax equal to B. Given system of equation, first we will rewrite in the form of matrix. First matrix, write coefficient of x and y 1, 2, then 2, 3. That is our A. Then x means variable, x, y. Then B means constant, 2, 3. Then find out determinant of A. What is A? This first matrix is A, isn't it? Then determinant of A equal to determinant of 1, 2, 2, 3 equal to, take determinant 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 into 2, 4 equal to 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 is not equal to 0, isn't it? Not equal to 0 means given system of equation is consistent. Because when you take determinant, if you're not getting 0, that system of equation is consistent. If you are getting negative number or positive number, any number, that is not a matter. Now we can see question number 2 and 3. Same, we have to check consistency of system of equation. First we can write the system of equation can be written as Ax equal to B. First change it to in matrix form. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Coefficient of y is minus 1. 1, 1. Then x. X means x. 5, 4. Then take determinant of A equal to determinant of 2 minus 1, 1, 1 equal to 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 equal to 2 minus minus 1. That means 2 plus 1. You will get 3. 3 not equal to 0. Isn't it? Therefore, a given system of equation is consistent because we got answer 3 not equal to 0. Then next, second question also, question number 3. We can write same. The given system of equation can be written as Ax equal to B. Then A means 1, 3, 2, 6 into x means xy 5, 8. Then determinant of A 1, 3, 2, 6. Then 1 to 6, 6 minus 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 6, you will get 0. If you get 0 means given system of equation is inconsistent, isn't it? Therefore, inconsistent. We can write the given system of equation is inconsistent because we got answer 0. Next question, question number 4. In here 3 equations given and 3 variables. We can check the system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. That is our question. First we can write the given system of equation can be written as Ax equal to B. First A means 1, 1, 1. Coefficient of x, y, z 2, 3, 2. Then A 2A. 2A. Then x means variables x, y, z equal to B means constant time 1, 2, 4. Then find out determinant of A. Determinant of 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, A, 2A. Then we can expand this determinant, expanding along R1, first row. You can use first row. Any row you can use in here now, zeros. Then 1 into, delete first row and first column. 3 into 2, 6A minus A into 2, 2A minus second number 1 into, delete first row and second column, then remaining 2 into 2A, 4A minus A into 2, 2A plus Then next number is 1. That's 1 into, this is first row and third column, then multiple 2a minus a into 3, 3a, 2a minus. We will get 6a minus 2a, 4a minus, then 4a minus 2a, 2a in here, 2a minus 3a, that is minus a. 4a minus 2a minus a, that is 4a minus 2a, 2a, then minus a, you will get a not equal to 0, therefore consistent. Given system of equation is consistent. Then remaining question number 5, 6, everything you can do.